Hi my friends! Today I want to show you how to make the cookie flour. Let's go! We need a piece of dough. Make a few squares of any size. Connect the bottom edges together. Make 10 petals. The quantity depends on the width of each petal. Make a circle. This will be the basis for our flower. Put all the petals on the top. Make a ball from the rest of the dough. Bake the cookie in the oven until ready. The cookie flour is completed. Enjoy your meal. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.